As the camera world continues to evolve, Nikon Z8 II is set to change the game for both photographers and videographers alike. While the Z8 has earned praise for its hybrid functionality, the Z8 II is poised to take it to the next level with advanced features and thoughtful design tweaks that cater to the professional user. Whether you're a professional photographer who demands the highest quality or a videographer pushing the limits of what's possible, the Z8 II's future-proofing will be indispensable. Breaking down performance, speed, efficiency, and power. One of the most exciting upgrades for the Nikon Z8 II is its processing capabilities. Utilizing a next-generation X7 processor, Nikon aims to elevate both the speed and efficiency of the camera, addressing the demands of professionals who require fast, responsive equipment. This is a processor that's already making waves in Nikon's flagship Z9, and with the Z8 II, it promises to bring significant improvements in every aspect of the camera's performance. Whether you're shooting at high frame rates, capturing fast-moving subjects, or processing large amounts of raw data, the Z8 II's new X7 processor will give you an edge. Its increased processing speed will lead to more fluid autofocus, lightning-fast burst rates, and superior overall handling, making the Z8 II a powerful tool for anyone needing versatility and precision. Maximizing durability, enhancing heat management. One of the critiques of the Z8 was its tendency to overheat during long 8K video sessions, limiting its potential in certain shooting scenarios. The Z8 II aims to tackle this issue head-on with a revamped thermal management system that guarantees better heat dissipation and cooling. This is especially crucial when you're working with high-definition video formats like 8K, where heat generation can be a significant concern. Ensuring the camera stays cool under pressure. This feature is essential for videographers and photographers who need to push their gear to the limit without worrying about overheating mid-shoot. In addition, it's anticipated that the Z8 II will be compatible with external cooling accessories, allowing for more intensive, uninterrupted use. Ideal for those high-demand shoots where every second counts. AI-powered autofocus. Smarter tracking for dynamic scenes. Nikon has been focusing heavily on autofocus improvements in recent years, and the Z8 II is expected to further elevate this key feature. With the addition of AI-powered algorithms, the Z8 II will bring groundbreaking subject tracking and focus capabilities. Photographers who specialize in fast-paced environments such as sports, wildlife, or street photography will appreciate how this enhanced autofocus can lock onto moving subjects more accurately. Beyond simple tracking, these AI algorithms will empower the Z8 II to recognize faces, eyes, and specific subjects with greater precision. In dynamic environments, the Z8 II will provide more control, ensuring that critical moments are captured with pinpoint sharpness. The camera's new 3D Tracking Plus mode will also allow users to customize their focus points even further, offering detailed control to isolate specific elements in a scene. Video revolution. Pushing the boundaries of cinematic quality. When it comes to video, the Z8 II promises to be an absolute powerhouse. Building on the video features of the Z8, it's rumored to offer a significant upgrade in video performance, including the ability to shoot 8K at a smoother 60 frames per second. This enhancement will make the Z8 II a standout choice for filmmakers seeking fluid, high-quality footage, with the added bonus of internal ND filters that make shooting in bright outdoor environments much easier. The inclusion of internal ND filters is particularly revolutionary. It will allow filmmakers to control exposure levels without having to rely on external filter rigs, streamlining the shooting process while maintaining cinematic quality. This could be a game-changer for anyone working with outdoor shots or scenes that require nuanced exposure adjustments, giving them the flexibility to create their vision with minimal limitations. Build quality, strength and comfort combined. In terms of build, the Z8 II is expected to be lighter and more ergonomically refined than the Z8, without compromising on durability. It's anticipated that carbon fiber elements will be incorporated into the body design, reducing the overall weight while maintaining a solid, weather-resistant structure that professionals demand. Whether you're in harsh weather conditions or shooting in an intense field environment, the Z8 II's rugged build will withstand the elements. The ergonomic improvements are also worth noting. With a redesigned grip and more intuitive button layout, the Z8 II is poised to feel even more comfortable in hand, making long shooting sessions a breeze. The addition of a joystick, for example, will allow for smoother navigation through menus and settings, providing users with quicker access to critical tools when they need them most. Tethering and connectivity, streamlining workflow. With dual USB-C ports, the Z8 II is set to enhance connectivity and speed up workflows, especially in professional studio settings. This feature will allow for more efficient file transfers, making it easier for photographers and videographers to offload their shots and continue working without unnecessary delays. It will also improve tethering capabilities, enabling professionals to work seamlessly in live settings or studio environments where a direct camera-to-computer connection is essential. For hybrid shooters who combine both photography and video, the Z8 II will offer a level of connectivity and convenience that will make a noticeable difference in productivity. Competitive pricing. Nikon's strategic edge. While the Nikon Z8 entered the market at a relatively affordable price point for a high-end mirrorless camera, the Z8 II is expected to maintain this trend of offering premium features at a competitive price. In comparison to the Sony A1 or Canon R5 Mark II, which can easily run well above $5,000, the Z8 II is likely to land around $4,500, a price point that offers substantial value for its features. This pricing strategy will help Nikon carve out a strong niche in the professional camera market, particularly for those who need hybrid camera features without breaking the bank. The Z8 II's ability to blend incredible video and photo capabilities with an accessible price tag makes it an attractive choice for professionals looking to upgrade their gear. The Nikon Z8 II's impact on the future of photography and videography. As the Nikon Z8 II nears its release, it's clear that this camera is poised to set new standards in the world of hybrid cameras. From its advanced AI-driven autofocus to its enhanced video capabilities, the Z8 II is not just an incremental improvement over its predecessor. It's a giant leap forward. For those who rely on their cameras to capture both stunning photos and high-quality video, the Z8 II promises to deliver everything they need and more. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiast looking to step up your game, the Z8 II has the potential to be the ultimate tool for taking your work to the next level. Nikon has truly crafted a camera that's as adaptable and innovative as the creators who will use it, ensuring that it remains relevant and powerful for years to come. What's next for Nikon? Looking beyond the Z8 II, Nikon's commitment to innovation and quality is evident. As the camera industry continues to evolve,